Hey everybody, this is the Crafty Queen here, and I have a secret confession to show you. This is my outside storage closet / utility closet that I've been using to store my equipment for a lot of these makeover videos that you guys have seen me do. Yes, I know this is very embarrassing. This is where I store all my spray paints and all of my paint cans and some gardening equipment. And just a lot of my project equipment is out here. I know this is embarrassing and it's really bad. I keep an outside broom out here. This bag is where I keep a lot of my paint brushes and paint trays. That's awful, I know. But I'm about to get this squared away right now. Let's get to it. So I'm just going to pull everything out so I could clean up. See, that's what I get for being so unorganized. I'm just clearing this closet out so I could start from a clean slate. And before I forget, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And I'd like to thank all my subscribers out there for your support. I'm loving my numbers out there. Thank you guys. And for those of you that are familiar with my work, you know I had to start off with some Dollar Tree items to help me organize. This is one of those over the door hooks that I had to alter a little bit and nail it to my door because it was not fitting when I tried to hang it over it. I caught this wood on sale at Lowe's for like $2 each, and I cut it down to the sizes that I needed so I could make some shelving for my closet. And then I painted all the wood white with this leftover white paint. I bought 8 of these shelf brackets in the size 8x10 from Walmart. They were like $2 each, and I screwed these to the bottom of my wood pieces in order to hold them together. I also, just to add a little security, I also used my staple gun and I stapled them in a few areas too. And I also tested them out just to make sure they were durable. These toggle bolts are going to make sure that the shelving is secure to my wall because I'm unable to drill into a wall stud. For $1, these universal tool hooks are an awesome investment for a project like this, and you get 5 in a pack. I only used 4 hooks, but I was really trying to find a reason to use this 5th hook. I'm still trying to figure that out. I painted these baskets from Dollar Tree white so that they'll match the shelves. And I decided to put all of my painting tools in this basket, all of my paint rollers, paint brushes, and my stirrers. I hung this basket from this hook. Well, actually I ended up hanging it from 2 hooks just to make sure it was secure, and I decided to fill this basket with my spray paint cans. Every year I buy this bag of sunflower seeds from Walmart, and the birds and the squirrels in my backyard go crazy for it. So I got this $5 storage bin also from Walmart so I can store the seeds properly, and hopefully this will keep the squirrels from breaking into my closet so they could tear through the bag. I'm telling you, these squirrels in my yard are ruthless. I hung up one of my garden bags that I'm going to use to store my other garden bags, my drop cloths, and also my tarp that I use for when I'm spray painting. Those are just some spare chair cushions that I have. And now I'm going to start loading up all of my cans of paint. And you guys, I have a lot, so I really needed to make sure that these shelves can hold it all. These are some of my paint trays that I've used for projects. And now it's time for the big reveal. Once again, I'd like to thank you guys for all of your support, and please continue to watch me. So subscribe to my channel, ring the bell for future notifications of every video that I have coming out each week. And once again, I'm gonna catch you guys later. Bye.